गाइज एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। मुझे आज थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा, थोड़ा सा एक्स्ट्रा, थोड़ा सा प्रोफेशनल लगना था। दैट्स वाई ऑल दिस थिंग। एनीवेज, सो टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट अ वेरी पॉपुलर नेटफ्लिक्स सीरीज एडोलसेंस। और ये पहली बार नहीं है जब इस कॉन्सेप्ट या सेम कॉन्टेक्स्ट पे एक शो बनाया गया है। ऐसे इस जॉनरा में, इस कॉन्सेप्ट में बहुत डिफरेंट शोज भी है, जैसे कि 13 Reasons Why एंड यू. But what makes this show a little different is that the person who commits the crime is a 13-year-old boy. And it's a very shocking thing to watch, to see a very young boy committing this terrific crime. So let's start with our discussion on episodes. So it has 4 episodes. पहले एपिसोड में इट्स मोर अबाउट इन्वेस्टिगेशन प्रोसेस. वो उसे ले जाते हैं जेल में या वो उसे प्रिजन में ले जाते हैं एंड दे आर जस्ट इन्वेस्टिगेटिंग. एंड it will shock you that the kind of innocence Jamie have in the first show. उन्होंने बताया है कि he seems very innocent, and that is what I love about this series, that it is not about a particular moment, it is not about a particular incident, और it's not about a particular thing that you can pinpoint कि इसकी वजह से इसने ये मर्डर कमिट किया. मुझे ऐसा लगता है it's everything. ऐसे सब कलेक्टिव फोर्सेस ने काम किया है. So in a child's life when they are very young, there are majorly 2 factors that are influencing on them a lot. That is, first is school and second is family. And that is what shown in this show बहुत ही brilliantly. Second episode और fourth episode, they are directing towards the third episode, that is the main episode, and that is amazing episode. तो let's understand each episode in a nutshell. सबसे पहले की episode number 2. I found this episode as the backbone of the entire series. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि दिस एपिसोड को इतनी रिकग्निशन नहीं मिली, बट आई फील अकॉर्डिंग टू मी दिस इज़ अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एपिसोड. टेल यू द एक्चुअल रियलिटी एंड द डीपर थिंग्स दैट वर प्लेइंग रोल in forming the psyche of the, our main character, that is Jamie. A child have an intense desire to be liked, to be wanted, to be popular in the school, to be that person जिसको सब जाने, या फिर जो बस ऐसे बहुत popular हो in the school. And this is not something new that अभी अभी हो रहा है या अभी अभी शो में दिखाया गया है. It's the reality of most of the schools, but the problem, the catalyst here is the internet. अब internet के कारण all these thinking, all these changes in the brain are happening so fast that we don't even realize that it's happening. और मुझे सबसे इंटरेस्टिंग टेक लगा इस एपिसोड में, दैट इज़ कि जो पुलिस का सन होता है, जो पुलिस वाले का the son of the main police officer who is investigating the case, उसका बच्चा भी bully होता है. He is also bullied in the school. And the most ironic thing is कि the police officer is investigating a case related to this murder and XYZ, और उसका खुद का बच्चा उसे आके नहीं बोल पा रहा है कि मैं बुली हो रहा हूँ स्कूल में, या I'm not feeling good in the school, something like that, which is a very interesting take, which is like both ironical कि it's all there right in front of the police guy, but still he's not concerned, or he's not being a present father to his own son. And when the police guy was investigating Diane, the way he was telling that you might be the popular one in the school, the concept of this popularity, that how he wanted to be popular, that incel thing, that 80-20 rule, all the things that were happening in the school in a very subtle way, in a very silent तरीके से हो रखा था. और बहुत सारी चीज़ें ऐसे छोटी मोटी थी, जैसे टीचर्स क्लास में नहीं थे, या फिर दे वर शाउटिंग एट स्टूडेंट, एंड ऑल ऑफ दिस एक्चुअली एड्स अप to give us a very clear view of how a child's psyche might be formed in the school. And that is why I found this episode a very interesting and of course a very important one also. So now episode number 3, the most talked about and the most shocking episode. What I loved about this episode कि both of the characters did an amazing job. भाई क्या acting करी उन लोगों ने. मतलब जब मैंने पहली बार ये एपिसोड देखा था, मैं खुद ऐसे शॉक में थी कि what, how, I was terrified. The most important theme of this episode and the concepts that kept on repeating were being masculine and being in control and not feeling good about himself. तो मेरे लिए इस एपिसोड में ये तीन चीज़ें बहुत स्टैंड आउट करी. फर्स्टली, आई फेल्ट दैट he was not able to associate masculinity with a different with anything else other than the power, other than control, other than being liked or being fancied or being admired. And it was very visibly shown in the entire episode where he was trying to anticipate what the psychologist should say. वो बार बार ऐसे बोल रहा था कि अरे you should have said this, why are you saying this. So he thought to himself that understanding what the psychologist is understanding about himself is a power, with it will keep things under control. But as soon as the psychologist was behaving differently, या वो जैसे ही कुछ different तरीके से आंसर दे रही थी, he was not able to handle the situation, and he was just lashing out, ऐसे trying to dominate the place will threaten the psychologist, and that was very sad to watch as a viewer. But the question that popped in my head while watching this was why he wanted to be in the power in the first place, and from where did he had this concept कि power is equivalent to showing aggression या being in control, या फिर just shouting or just showing the dominance. How was he knowing all these things, and from where all these things were coming? That was the major question that was there in my mind while watching it. और हम ये भी नोटिस करते हैं एपिसोड में that he gets very uncomfortable while talking about his father, while talking about his granddad, या just talking about masculinity in general, कि from what he associates या from what's his perspective of being masculine. मुझे लगता है इस एरिया के अराउंड he was getting very uncomfortable, and to me I thought that maybe for him being masculine means doing the things that his father was doing, like जैसे कि बताया गया है, जैसे कि it's shown that he idolizes his father. So maybe according to him being masculine means कि जो लोग sports खेलने जाए या जो लोग they are doing more of a masculine stuff. Maybe he knew that he is not good at sports and he is not good at these kind of things, so maybe he might have thought कि that's why he is not enough and that's why he is not good, because we can see in this episode that वो बोलता है that he does not feel good about himself, that he feels that he is ugly. वो उसका खुद का self identity था कि he thinks that he is ugly. तो मे बी मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि it can be related to because he thought that he is not good at all these things in which a man should be good, but he is not good. That's why he doesn't feel good about himself, and he just kept brushing off the topic. But it was a very shocking episode to watch. I think it is one of the best acting performances delivered. I was in shock. I also felt like crying in the end with that psychologist ki what the fuck just happened right now. Crazy episode. So now coming to the last episode, that was much more focused towards family and how it impacted their life, and मतलब उसकी बहन, उसकी मम्मी पापा, how they were impacted by this this incident. And what I found interesting and what I was able to connect with the previous episodes were that Jamie always idolized his father. So when this kind of thing is happening where he is very much influenced by his father, and when he get ignored and neglected by his own father क्योंकि उसने कुछ गलती करी या फिर क्योंकि वो उस तरीके से परफॉर्म नहीं कर पाया जिस हिसाब से उसके पापा एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे थे, it actually took a really bad toll on Jamie's self-esteem, on Jamie's self-confidence. And that's when the father also tells us in the episode ki I was not even looking at him when the other dads were laughing at our son. तो मतलब ये सुनने में भी कितना दुख वाली बात लग रही है कि मतलब he was all alone in that situation, he was all alone in that event that was happening to him, and he was very disappointed with himself because his father was disappointed with himself, and that's why he created this thing in his mind that maybe I'm not good at all these things and maybe I'm just not man enough or maybe I'm not just good enough. मुझे एक बहुत amazing सा reference इसमें मिला था. That is how his father was telling that how Jamie used to draw beautiful things when he was a child, when he was more, you know, smaller. कैसे वो बहुत सारी चीज़ें draw करता था and how he stopped drawing after some time and he was tucked into his bed with the computer and you know internet and XYZ. बट उसमें एक बहुत ही ऐसे बताया था, इसमें रेफरेंस था कि हाउ ही लॉस्ट हिज इनोसेंस, हाउ ही लॉस्ट what he loved, and he tells that he likes drawing and how he stopped drawing things. और बहुत ब्यूटिफुली उसी एपिसोड में व्हेन दे वर ड्राइविंग बैक टू देयर होम फ्रॉम दैट पेंटर्स का शॉप से जहाँ से भी वो लोग आ रहे थे, while they were driving back to the home, when Jamie called to tell his father that happy birthday and that he is changing the plea, that he is thinking to accept that he is guilty. In that phone call, in that between that conversation, Jamie tells the father that he has started drawing again, and then he says that I am planning to plead guilty. That was such a beautiful reference. It told a story of how Jamie was finally accepting his fault, how Jamie was, you know, maybe Jamie ने अपना accept कर लिया and maybe he realized what he has done and maybe he's trying to be better or something like that. I love that reference and I loved how it got connected. So this was my take on all the 4 episodes. And there's this one more thing that we should learn is that we should not dismiss or we should not consider a child's problem as small. माना हमारी जितनी बड़ी नहीं होगी पर उनकी दुनिया में उनकी प्रॉब्लम्स बहुत बड़ी है एंड वो लोग भी बहुत सारा प्रेशर, बहुत सारी चीज़ों से यू नो दे आर गोइंग थ्रू इट एंड दे उस बट और दिक्कत ये है कि दे आर गोइंग थ्रू इट एंड एट द सेम टाइम दे डू नॉट हैव अ वेल डेवलप्ड, वेल फॉर्म्ड ब्रेन. सो it's our responsibility to help them solve the problem. So yeah, this was my take on this amazing series Adolescence. Also, this is my first analysis video जिसमें मैंने किसी series का analyze किया, and I'll be making more of these as we go, as we move forward into our channel. So yeah, if you liked my video, please like, share, subscribe and comment what you liked about it and what I should analyze next and what I should change maybe. You know, feedbacks are all invited. So see you in the next video. Bye!